All right. Yeah. We got time for another one?
Yeah, sure.
All right. What do you want to play, Token?
El Toco, Chet the Cheetah Wazzy, the immortal Lee County Killers are going to play you another hit right here, baby. Let's see. Let's do Ooh-wee, baby.
All right. This is no longer gospel. This is ooh-wee.
This is about satisfying your lover, satisfying your lady. You got to satisfy that woman. Men, listen up. If you don't satisfy that woman, she gonna leave you. And that's what this song here is about, baby.
Works the other way, too. My baby makes me go ooh-wee. My baby makes me go ooh-wee. She take me downtown. Show me around.
Show me around.
Take me downtown. Shows me around. Ooh-wee. My baby makes me go ooh-wee. And my girl makes me go ooh-wee. Ooh, she tell me go down.
Go on down.
I lick all around. She tell me I go down,
all the way down. Thank you very much. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Bowery Ballroom tonight. After all the smoke is cleared, after all the dust is settled, each and every single one of you little monkeys is going to know who the best damn band walking the face of God's green earth is. And after all of that's over and all of that's said and done, you will truly realize, ladies and gentlemen. So don't believe in fake black. If you want to see the real deal, you come on down to the show tonight. Call your mother, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your one-eyed Uncle Jack who's been emailing me all weekend long, and you even get your grandma with her double X dirty panties, and y'all all come on down and take an ass whooping like a man, because that's what everybody's going to get. Brothers and sisters, make it. Be there. And if you can't see you there, we'll meet you in the parking lot, punk.
The immortal Lee County Killers. There you have it. Thanks so much, guys. It was great.
Thank you.
So tonight, Bowery Ballroom with the Drive-By Truckers, and check out the website and Estrus, and you can get the most recent album, Love is a Charm of Powerful Troubles.